Welcome to our POLYSAND PRO processing video. The joints must be cleaned of weeds, roots, and loose parts to a depth of at least 3 cm without leaving any residue. As moisture activates the binder prematurely, the stone surface must be completely dry before and during application. Open the bucket and spread the contents over the dry surface. Now sweep the joint sand carefully and intensively into the joints with a broom or squeegee. The joints must be completely filled. Clean the stone surface carefully with a fine broom until there is no more residue on the stone surface. Make sure that chamfers on slabs and pavers must be exposed. Now spray the entire surface with a fine jet of water. Avoid foaming of the binder by applying too much water pressure. Repeat this process several times until the joints are completely saturated and can no longer absorb water. And it's done. Look at this result. Thank you for watching. Visit our homepage under www.a-joint.de and learn more about a joint.